Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, before checking your smartphone, make sure that the Bluetooth device that you're trying to pair is charged enough. Also, make sure that it's not connected to any other device around you. And make sure to put it into pairing mode. So once your device is ready to connect, usually it will start flashing rapidly. And then go to settings, connected devices, Bluetooth. Make sure that you don't see your device here already. This would mean that your device is already paired. Tap pair new device and then select the device that you want to pair with your smartphone and confirm. And in case it's already paired to your smartphone, you're gonna have to go to connect devices. Instead of pairing it, try to forgetting it by tapping the gear icon next to it, and then select forget device, and then try to pair it once again. Now, if this doesn't help you, then we can reset network settings to fix this issue. It will also affect your Wi-Fi networks, which means that you're gonna have to re-enter the password to all the saved Wi-Fi networks in order to reconnect to them. However, to do that, you have to go to System, and we're gonna have to go to Advanced, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, and then Reset Settings. And then enter your password to confirm. Select Reset Settings. Wait until you see the notification about network settings being reset. Return to your connected devices menu in Settings and try to repair your Bluetooth device. At this point, everything should be just fine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.